When we start learning Arduino or embedding system, we don't know what exactly we should purchase as a beginner, right? So we are always confused, and we do not want to invest too much in the beginning. So the way I did, I purchased many things, but gradually, not in one go. So I will show what exactly I have and what I purchased when I was starting to learn Arduino and the embedding system. So the very first thing I purchased was Arduino Uno. There are many boards, but I like you can purchase Arduino Nano, Mega, but I purchased Arduino Uno along with the USB cable. Then I purchased this LCD. It was not, the pins were not soldered, and I did not purchase I2C module. If you do not want to use a lot of wires, so I'll suggest you to buy I2C module along with this LCD. Then you can purchase buzzer. I purchased 2 buzzers. Then you can buy a servo motor. We can build a lot of projects, small projects using servo motors. And a must-have is like register. You can buy a few registers which can, protect your LED when we are going to build a LED blinking project. So that's important. And then a few jumper wires, like female to female. So this is female to female, and then male to male jumper wire, and then male to female, female to male. So this is what you should have. So, and the last is the breadboard. Breadboard is very important, so you should have those. So these are I would say starter kit. We can build small projects like blinking LED, buzzer project, rotate the servo motor, print hello world on LCD. So these are very small projects you can do as a beginner on Arduino.